Okay, guys, go down on your knees.
You want us to fly?
No, Carly does that Harrison goes, vroom. It's so cool.
Please go.
Someone go, because the camera's just staring at the wall.
Oh my god.
I'm going to go get the sleeping bag.
Stop it! No, wait, I don't know how to pause this. We have to just keep playing, so you guys keep going.
What?
Just start doing something.
Oh, God. You should have had a railing.
You Buddha.
Oh, I said they're pausing.
Follow us, Christine. Huh? Christine, follow us.
Okay. What are they gonna do?
Follow us at the camera. Just outside the whole time.
It doesn't smell down here anymore.
It's like fire. I know where it is. It's cold.
Not as cold as I was last night.
It's warmer in there.
I think we should go down your upstairs stairs rather than your downstairs stairs.
That was one.
Okay.
You're like crack. Ow.
Not me.
Jocelyn.
Jocelyn.
No, Jocelyn, you have experience.
Yes, I could.
Your idea.
You know, the way I fell, I was getting into sleeping and I fell during. I deleted that video too, I think.
Okay, go upstairs.
Do I have to follow you up the stairs? Yeah, I'll follow you up.
Okay, help me up here, guys. Jump. Get down. Jump again. Elbowed me.
You're gonna have a hard time getting onto the stairs.
I know. Okay, let's go.
Okay. I have to go watch over the railing.
Oh my god, I'm gonna get hurt. You go face first.
Yeah. No.
I'm not going face first on this stairs.
Your stairs are a lot steeper than Carly's.
We can have some what you call it, pillows.
Okay, that's a good idea, please.
Okay.
Just throw them at the bottom. Hey, Jocelyn.
Hello.
Talking your normal voice.
Hello.
Hello.
Christine, you missed it.
I was recording.
Yeah, we're like.
You're gonna run out of bags?
I have extra batteries.
Really?
Yeah. I brought them. The key is.